This right here is going to change the game forever. And here it is. Is there anything else in here? Power cord. Nice, nice. RCA. We also have, whoa, nice. We even got the manual. And that's it. There we go. Finally. There she goes. Yeah. Looking nice and sexy. We got the Carl Zeiss lens on here. Okay. Wait a minute. Where's my battery? Yo, so, bang. Woohoo! Check me out how I look. Oh yeah, it's lit. Take the lens cap off. Whoo! Yo, this is nice. Not going to lie. Got all my buttons in here. It's got my record button on the back. I think this comes up like this. Oh yeah. This is what's up. Let me see if it actually works though. This thing looks brand new for it to be so old. I think Sony cameras still, I mean batteries still kind of look the same. It's crazy. Uh-oh. I hear it powering on. Yo, check it out, y'all. I don't know if it works, but something happened. Oh snap, there we go. Maybe. Well, it was. Shows the batteries on inside. Maybe I just don't know what I'm doing. It's probably what it is. VCR. Oh, there we go. Aha. Have to change the settings on this joint. And we are, oh snap, we active. What's up, y'all? What's up, Jace? What up, babe?
I'll get this.
Oh snap, got our nightstand.
Dad, where'd you get this?
Where'd I get this? I got it in the mail.
Come Friday.
Yeah. Bet.
I got some curtains. We'll see. Can you see?
Look cool, don't it?
I like
Don't
that.
it?
Yeah.
Yo, this is the new vlog setup, guys.
Cool.
So, from here on out, I'm canceling this camera right here.
Petey!
Peace. But hold on, I don't have any tape. So, I'm not gone just yet, guys. I gotta get some tape. Good thing is though, y'all, check it out. I got some film, I think some tapes in the mail. It said delivered, but I didn't get anything yet, so let's see. Hopefully I'm not too overexposed out here. Yeah, boy, gotta turn that shutter speed up. There we go. Pack just dropped, baby.
Bricks, huh? All white bricks.
So, the pack just dropped. I do have some mini DV tapes. Perfect timing. I did not think they would come at the same time. What's up, Chase?
Sure. After it, can it be my tone?
You want to talk to the camera?
After yours.
Tell them. Come here. Come sit down. Sit down right here.
After the camera.
Sit down. No. Sit down. Sit down, buddy. And talk. Stay right there.
Welcome to the video. And welcome to Sonic and Peace.
Peace. We got little Jace up in the building. We got Big James in the building. And We are opening some mail. What's we got here? Oh, what we got, Jace? Some. I don't know why it won't focus. Focus on your face. We got the Sony Mini DV. And I kind of don't want to open this. It's like brand new. But it is what it is. I'm about to open up the case. Comes with 5 tapes. Oh, snap. It was already a tape up in here. I ain't even need to get no other tape.
So you only need one tape?
I need Coca-Cola.
You only need one tape?
One tape holds 60 minutes.
No, you definitely need more.
So, I actually do have a tape, guys. Peace out. Check you in a minute. So today is February 20th, 2024. And we are at home. Just me, Ashlyn, and Jace. The older boys are at school. Just chilling. Eating some Quaker oats. Rice cakes, mini rice cakes, whatever they are.
Not Quaker Oats, man.
Quaker oats.
It's just Quaker is the brand.
Oh, just Quaker is the brand.
These are not oats. These are Rice Crisps.
Whoops. Got that wrong. You can zoom in on this, I think. Oh, snap. Hey, sexy lady.
I said so.
What?
I said so.
You said so. What you say?
I said so.
Crazy man. Hey Deuce, what's up, boy? Y'all say what's up to Deuce. Hey my boy, what you doing out here, huh? You just chilling, you like it outside. Come on, I got you. Let's go, buddy. Ugh. Say hi, Deuce. Hi, Deuce, did you just fart on me? Ugh. Deuce just farted on me, I think, y'all. Ugh. Y'all see the whip? Your boy riding clean. Alright, so I gotta drive, so I'll see y'all later.
Hi.
Hey, this is Jackson. How old are you, Jackson?
7.
7. Jackson just got home from school. And what are we about to do? Your homework? Okay, go ahead.
Let me see.
That's why I eat this. That's not for me. That's why I eat this.
You got $100? Oh, you rich, boy.
No 100. This was some daily.
Tom and Jerry. No, it's Abraham Lincoln.
I know.
Do your homework. Okay, and
Who did put on
you guys are
this?
so close
Who
together.
did put on this?
Him or his teacher. Probably his teacher.
Yep, that's teacher.
What's it say?
Helio.
Haley, man.
Helio. Helio. Now we're gonna walk paleo. Mom, he has a long tongue.
I see. Jeez.
You get in the car.
You get in the car, buddy.
You get in the car.
No, I said I was shutting the garage door. I'm coming with you guys.
You tricked us.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I.
Wendy.
Super windy out, man. Come on. Jace. No, leave that in there. Leave it in there first. Super windy, man.
And Wendy. That's his room.
We are at good old Meyer.
Yeah,
I didn't do that.
Mom.
Okay, those look nice.
Mom, these and these. This is like going back to like
Isn't it though?
the
That's throwback.
days. You know? I kind of like these.
Me too.
Look at these ones, Mom.
Like,
Look at these
Those
ones.
are nice.
Look at these ones,
they're
Mom.
20% off.
Look at these ones.
Oh yeah, those are nice too. Let me try these ones. They both are cute.
They're both nice. These ones are the throwback. Those are definitely giving throwback. So.
Oh no, they're not 20% off. They're made with 20, but they're $22.
Better get them up.
No, huh?
So I'm looking for a brush to clean the soccer shoes with. I think I'm just gonna go with this little bitty one right here. This should do good enough right here. Yeah. Hey, we need this for our sink. A squeegee.
Yeah, we do actually. For our sink.
Yeah, oh, this is the brush I want actually.
No, I was gonna use that for the shower door.
For the shower too, then. Use that for the shower. This is the wrong brush actually. I want
It's the wrong one.
brush. I want this one right here for the shoes.
Okay.
Alright.
Look at this one. No,
King
this one's
James. It's King James.
That one is nice. You want that one instead?
Should I say that one?
Maybe. On price? It's just $2. Hope you ain't gotta return them.
You want me to do Apple Pay?
Yeah. It's Aunt Jasmine. Say hi.
Oh, you're filming?
I am. Hey Deuce, what's wrong, man? What's wrong, buddy? Oh, my battery is dying. Yep, I'm about to clean these shoes, guys. Got my good old brush. These are soccer shoes. Brought them out here. Look at them. Oh, Jerry, these supposed to be for indoor. So, gotta clean them off real quick. Okay, the after on these is pretty nice. I got a lot of that mud off. So yes, your boy is ready for practice. I mean, right here is a little dirty, but should be okay. What's up, LJ? Yo, tell me your name. What's your name?
James.
And how old are you, James?
11.
He's 11. Big old 11-year-old. Look, his legs all the way down there. So this is our new camera. So we're going to do all of our vlogs on from now on. How old do you think this camera is?
40 years old.
No, I ain't that old now. 40. Woo!
17.
It's about 21 years old. Older than you. How was school today?
Good.
That's good. Do anything special? No? Nothing at all? Learn anything new? Nothing? So school was just a waste of time today? Dang, like that? Alright. That sucks. Hey Jackson. You look zoned out, buddy. You good? You ready for practice? He's zoned out. There goes Jace, sitting on the ball. Look, last week, no one was sitting on the ball except for him. Now everyone's sitting on the ball. Look at those ladies. Where's Jackson? There you go. There's Jackson with the blue and yellow ball, and he's got those blue and purple soccer shoes on, looking fresh. Kind of far though. gonna be listening. Oh man, Jackson, you forgot your water bottle?
No, don't be nervous, man. We can go.
Come on, let's go. I'll come with you.
Is that a red thing?
Let's find the big goal.
Come on,
Right
Jackson.
side of the goal.
Let's go.
I thought it was Jackson. I thought it was Jackson.
You coming with us, Jace?
No, Dad, what are you doing?
And he's gone. And there goes Jace. Oh snap, we got night light up in this joint. Night sight, I mean. Not night light, night sight. Oh my goodness. What's up, y'all? This looks crazy. Let me show you guys, hold on. Look, LJ. Night sight.
Why it look like that?
Sit down the right way, Jackson. Look at
I want to see it again. Look at me. Look at me. You look green. I look white and it looks like this.
I'm back at home. Had to get a little hungry man over here something to eat. Look at him. Maxing. Look at that boy Maxing. Deuce. Hey boy. Hey boy. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy, Deuce. Good boy. Ooh, wet mouth. Ooh, wet mouth. Ooh wee. Ooh wee, Deuce. So guys, we are back home. Just got done eating dinner. And I'm messing with this camera, right? And I started thinking, how am I going to play back this footage? You know, how am I going to get it on my computer? I have to go to Best Buy, get a little transfer device. That way I can plug it up to the RC cables, plug the USB up to my computer, and then get the footage on my computer. So, it's a process. It's a process. Yo, I got the night sight on. This looks crazy. But that's because this camera is not that good in low light, and it's nighttime, you know. I'm in the car. We just pulled up to the Best Buy. So, we're about to go up in here and try to find this cord, y'all. Let's get it. Hopefully I can find this mug. And looks like they have exactly what I'm looking for, guys. Hey, let's go. Shout out to Best Buy. I gotta wait on somebody to check me out. It's a cheap game, guys. This is my flip phone, right? Screen's cracked. It's like not working, it's unresponsive. Petty. How does screen crack on my flip phone before my iPhone? It's supposed to last forever. This is whack. Yeah, man. Super whack, yo. I got a text message or something, a notification, and I can't even check it out. Oh, you know what? Here, let me take the battery. Old phone, you can take the battery out to this joint. Let me take the battery out.
Riding on Regals. Now I'm pulling up 2-seaters. Back in front of
Scooter.
I gotta feed my people. Take your bitch home, I eat her. And I ain't worried about you.
Hopefully this works.
I really need no features. Cause I really live what I rap. And I really need no features.
Alright, y'all, so I'm finally back home. Got what I needed from Best Buy. So they had this and it was on sale. I mean, it was a little expensive still, but it was on sale. It's gonna do what it needs to do. Whoa, what's up with the focus here? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get all this footage up on my computer, get it all edited, and hopefully this thing turns out nice. It's getting late, so yeah, I'm gonna try to go ahead and get some sleep, man. So I'll see y'all tomorrow.